Here we are with the Honda generator on the bench, the engine that my uncle gave me, with the chunks out of the piston. Just getting the bits out of the bore, and then I'm going to put the head back on, and just out of interest I'm going to see if it'll run. It will probably fire, but I doubt it'll run. But oh well, it's worth a little bit of fun. There is only one score in the piston. There's the score from that big chunk that's out of the piston, but it's not incredibly deep, so I'm thinking if I just get a used piston and some rings, I might actually be able to get this thing to fire up and run properly. He said the generator works on the back. I've just taken the back cover off. It's a little bit manky inside, but it doesn't look too bad. There's the control box there. It's upside down. Yep. So that's AC and DC. So it's a pretty good generator if I can get it going. Carburetor all looks fine. Got another one of these, so I'll be able to use that if I need to. But it all looks alright. I'll take the cover off for the air filter so I can spray some easy start in there and see if we can get it to fire. I need to put a pull rope thing on it. I think I've got one that will just bolt on there with the flywheel nut. So hopefully we can get that on there. Yeah, we're going to see if it'll fire. What the hell? Let's have a little bit of fun. Okay, well, the Honda is ready to rock and roll. We're ready to see what's going to happen. I'm obviously not expecting much from the old thing. I'm not expecting it to go, yay, here I am, I'm running, let's go and power your shed for the whole day. But I'm expecting it to turn over a few times at least, because we've got a good spark. There's the tiniest little bit of compression. Let's find the bounce back. There's a little bit of bounce back. Okay, well, let's see if the Honda generator is going to fire. So, what's going to happen? Got it set to run, yep. Just in case that box isn't working. wants to see to run on choke. We can't try much longer. Come on. Yeah, we got our ender there. Oh yeah, it's making some interesting sounds. But she's a rudder. Next to no compression. Well, look at that. I wouldn't say there was compression there. But she ran. Oh my god. What a noise. That was a lot of piston slop. So that's the last time we're ever going to run this. I'll get another piston for it and then see what happens.